Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want your Power BI dashboard to feel truly professional and user-friendly, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through creating a custom landing page using a mix of dashboard tiles, navigation buttons, and visuals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up an attractive entry point for your users, one that makes your reports easy to navigate and your insights easy to find. Let's get started. First, we want to build the foundation for our landing page. In Power BI Desktop, go ahead and create a new blank page. You can do this by clicking the plus button at the bottom or right-clicking in the page list. Let's name this new tab Landing Page. This way, it's immediately clear what this page is for. Naming pages is really important for keeping your workspace tidy, especially as your reports start to grow. Now, to help users orient themselves, we'll add some visuals. You can insert a table visual if you want to display several pieces of information in rows and columns. Or if you want a more streamlined look, try using card visuals for each item. For now, let's focus on three key fields: page name, description, and icon URL. These will tell your users what pages are available, what those pages contain, and if you're feeling fancy, you can even show a little icon. For the icons, you can use the image viewer visual from AppSource, or if your version of Power BI has the image URL option enabled, you can use that directly. This adds a professional touch and helps users visually identify different sections at a glance. Next up, let's make this page really pop. Format the background so it stands out, maybe pick a clean color or subtle pattern that matches your company branding. Then add a big welcoming title. Type out "Welcome to Business Dashboard" in a large font at the top of the page. This helps set expectations for your users and makes the dashboard feel intentional and inviting, kind of like the reception area in an office building. Now here comes the interactive part, navigation buttons, which we'll style as dashboard tiles. For each report section you want to include, say, sales, customers, products, finance, go to the Insert menu and choose Buttons. Pick Blank for flexibility. With each button you can insert an icon, some text, or a combination. For example, you could label one Go to Sales and add a small sales icon for clarity. Take your time with the placement and look, these tiles should be easy to spot and inviting to click. Once you have the button selected, look for the action setting in the Visual Properties pane. This is where the magic happens. Turn on Action, set it to Page Navigation, and then select whichever target page you want that button to link to. What you're doing here is turning each button into a direct portal to its respective report page, just like tiles on a homepage of a website. This small detail can really streamline the flow of your dashboard, letting users jump straight to what matters. If you have a little extra time and want to take your navigation to the next level, you can go ahead and actually create those linked pages. Add new blank pages titled Sales Page, Customers Page, Products Page, and Finance Page. On each, insert relevant visuals, maybe a sales chart on the sales page, a customer data table on the customers page, and so on. This step completes the navigation loop and gives your users a full guided experience. Don't worry if it takes a little experimenting to get each page set up just right. Building out dashboards can be an iterative process. And that's it, you've now got a Power BI landing page with dashboard tiles and interactive navigation, ready to impress your users and make your data more approachable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's any feature you'd like to see next. And of course, subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.